We know that biodiversity of neonatal microbiota is essential for the future of health of the child. And this starts very early, starts with the newborn, and breastfeeding at this time is absolutely important in shaping the microbiota, the gut microbiota, and this is very, very important for the destiny of health of the child. In other words, formula feeding is completely different. Formula feeding produce a microbiota which has different microbiota strain, and these are related, more related to non-communicable diseases. The microbiota of breast milk is really effective. It's present even in the colostrum from the first hours of life of the newborn, and is affecting the bifidobacterium and lactobacillus development in the gut microbiota of the infant. And there are several indications from the literature that its composition could really affect the health of the newborns in terms of different strains present representing the microbiota of the infant at the gut level. Bifidobacteria are really important as pioneeristic bacteria in representing the gut microbiota in the infant. There is a sort of interrelationship among bifidobacteria and the cells of the immune system of the infant. Immunocells of the infant, the dendritic cell in particular, are sensing the microbiota. And this relationship is relevant in terms of development of the right microbiota. And this is one of the primary steps for the development of health in the infant and the child. C-section and formula feeding are a relevant risk factor to develop non-communicable disease. And we know that from the literature that C-section birth and breastfeeding together develop a particular microbiota. So if we want really to change the future in terms of health of the child, probably recognizing this risk factor, we have to produce a different microbiota, gut microbiota, given the bifidobacteria supplementation to these children. I believe that this supplementation could really modify the gut microbiota and then modify also the natural history of the child.